Hello, welcome to Golgi Body. Today I noticed some camera issues in Realme 5 Pro. It is not too serious, but it may be solved in future updates of Realme. So here Realme have primary camera of 48 MB, and you can see this in outdoor they have no issue. They have no issue in outdoor. Slow motion is fine, ultra macro is fine, everything is fine. Slow motion is perfectly alright. You can see this, there is no glittering issue, everything is fine. You can see this, everything is perfectly alright. Good quality, slow motion is working very good. But in the case of indoor, you can see that in the top part some glittering issue. When we came inside house and we switch on some lights and we take slow motion videos, we can see the glittering issue. It is a serious issue. Maybe Realme solve this in future updates, but I think the slow motion indoor is not good. They have a serious glittering issue. You can see this, it's irritating, and but it may be solved in future updates. We can hope that. This is the only issue in indoor, and they have a high beam of light, but in outdoor Realme 5 Pro camera is just awesome. Every portrait is good, slow motion is good, and everything is good. But indoor we can see glittering, that is not too good. Maybe it's solved. These are the major cons and problems of Realme 5 Pro. And wide angle in slow motion is the only issue in indoor, but the others, you can see this, there is no glittering issue, and in video mode there is no glittering issue, but in slow motion mode they have glittering issue. Yeah, you can see the minute glittering. It may be solved. Okay, it is a information video. You must share this video to your friends.